Ready to make your quiz videos shine? Here come 4 exciting transitions, each paired with playful sound effects, all created in CapCut. Watch the full preview, then we'll break them down one by one. If you want to add this timer bar to your quiz video, we've got a free template ready. Just click the link in the description. Let's start with our first set. We're using the cloud transition. Here are the sound effects we use to bring the timer and answer reveal to life. Next up is our second combo, the Infinite 2 transition. For this set, here are the sound effects that make the timer and answer reveal really pop. Now on to our third set, playful cartoon swirl transition. Here are the sound effects we paired with this transition to bring the timer and answer reveal to life. Finally, here's our fourth combo, featuring the particles transition. To complement this transition, we use these sound effects for the timer and result reveal. Now let's dive into how to recreate them in CapCut step by step. We will do the set 1 together. First, import your quiz slides. You'll need your question and answer scenes on the timeline. Time to make those answers pop. Tap on audio, then sound effects. In the search bar, type POP. Choose this one. Then, drag it under your timeline and place it right when answer 1 appears. Repeat for answer 2 so both answers bounce in with a satisfying pop. Next, let's add a ticking sound for the progress bar. Under Audio Sound Effects, type Simple Timer. Select it, then drag and align it with your timer bar animation. Next, add sound for End of Timer Bar. When the timer ends, let's give it a nice sparkly finish. Search for Glitter Change Scene. Choose it and position it right at the moment the timer finishes. Now for the big moment, the result reveal. In the audio search bar, type Goal Achievement. Pick this one and drag it to the moment the result appears. To connect everything smoothly, let's add a transition between your question and answer slides. Go to Transition and search for Cloud. Drag it in between the question and answer clips. This gives a soft, floating feel as your content moves forward. And that's it. You've just added pop sounds, timer effects, and a cloud transition, all in CapCut. So, which transition set was your favorite? Let us know in the comments. We love to hear what you think. Thanks so much for watching. We hope these transitions and sound effects help bring your quiz videos to life in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more creative templates and editing tips. See you in the next video.